It is a pretty windy day in the Rampage Forest. You see, Lexi, it's a pretty windy day out here. Don't you get it? And you see over there? That's the Pond of Terrorism. And this time it might take months for the Pond of Terrorism to be officially vanished. So, what do you think? Should we not be out here in the evening anymore? It'll take months for the Pond of Terrorism to be vanished. So, what do you think, Lexi girl? We should just be here in the daytime instead of nighttime, maybe. Well, we'll figure it out, alright? It's the first time you're with me, because Misha's no longer here with me. And you were lost. But then you came here to live with me. But it's fine. It's getting pretty windy out here, and we should just get away from the Pond of Terrorism for like months, you know? But come on, let's go get some warm air. Are you coming? Alright, let's go.